Do you see a new quilting tool or ruler and wonder why you would ever need such a thing? Are you overwhelmed by all the options when you walk down the aisles of your local quilt store and see hundreds of rulers? This video will explain why you do need to buy that special ruler or tool to complete your next eye-catching quilt project. I'm Andy from True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. Today we're discussing the reasons why special templates, rulers, and tools will help simplify your quilting process. Let's get started. When you walk into a quilt store, you generally find an aisle full of specialty tools and rulers. But you may talk yourself out of purchasing those. Why would I need to do that when I've got a ruler and I can figure out what size and shape to cut? Well, we want to improve our accuracy. And the people that have made the specialty tools and rulers have done all that math for us. It can be intimidating to try and find exactly how to line up these lines on your fabric. And many of the templates come with that 1/4 inch seam already built in, so there's no fudging. Everything's the exact shape and the exact size that we need. So using special rulers will improve your accuracy. Have you heard the saying that time is money? Yes, we all love to spend hours playing with our fabric and creating wonderful quilts. But if we could save just a little bit of time by using those templates and tools and special rulers, then we can get to that fun part much faster. We can get straight to the stitching because the specialty ruler saves that time in the process. It improves our accuracy. It helps everything come together exactly right. I understand the desire to simplify and be frugal. We don't want a bunch of quilting tools that just sit on the shelf and gather dust and make us feel guilty every time we see that special ruler and the pattern that looked so great. So there's a couple things to consider before purchasing a special quilting ruler. Are there multiple projects that you can make with that one tool? If you have 2 or 3 in mind right off the bat, then yeah, that's a good purchase. Are you in a quilt group, or do you have some friends that like the same style of quilts or the same method, or are you all excited about the same pattern? Maybe you could share the cost of those tools and make it a little bit easier on everyone. So if you can think of multiple projects, if you've got friends that would like to use the same tool, you can feel good about saying yes to that purchase, even if it's a little bit pricey. When we start our quilt project on the right foot by using those special rulers, then the whole journey is much more enjoyable. I'd love to know what special rulers you love or the ones that you're considering purchasing. Drop a comment down below. If you are considering quilting with templates, take a look at the videos linked on the screen right now. I have chosen a few of my favorite specialty rulers, and you can see them in action. Be sure to subscribe to True Blue Quilts so you don't miss the weekly quilting tutorials. See you next time!